Hello dear students, this is Kamal Kishore Kohli from Saraswati Vidyapit Residential School Shivpuri, and I welcome you to watch my channel. I have explained so many things through my channel and I hope that you are learning something from my channel. Okay, keep on your learning path, because if you finish your learning habit, you cannot learn anything in your life. So keep on learning always by watching different kinds of video, not only mine. Okay, so today I am going to explain you very interesting poem that has been extracted from the book Beehive, class 9th. Well, and lesson number 2. Okay, the name of poem is that window. Wind. Okay, wind means hava. Okay, so you cannot see it, you cannot catch it, you cannot hold it. Okay, it cannot be seen anywhere, you can feel only. That is called wind. Okay, so that is the, you can say, forceful, powerfully it blows. So you can feel only, but you cannot catch it, you cannot see it also. So now try to understand the poem. Okay, wind comes softly and don't break the shutters of the windows, don't scatter the papers, and don't throw the books on the shelf. And there look what you did, and you threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books, and you brought rain again. Okay, so this is the first stanza of the poem, and I am going to explain each of the line. Okay, now come here. Wind. In this line, wind comes softly, means softly, you can say. So you can, the wind comes softly. In this line, the poet says the wind, please come so gently, otherwise it will be something wrong with us. Okay, so the poet says, wind, please come gently, so slowly, you can say that, otherwise something will be wrong with them or with us, you can say that. So now come to the next line. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Shutter of windows means the gates of window, you can see that, that is used to cover the window. Okay, so the poet says, the wind, please don't break the window, don't break the shutter of the window. Shutters means gates of the window. Okay, so please come so slowly, so gently. Okay, so we will not be harmed. Now come to the next line. Don't scatter the papers. Don't scatter the papers means the poet says, the wind, please don't come so fast, don't blow so forcefully, come so gently, and don't scatter the papers. Don't scatter means to spread all the pages. So don't spread the pages. Okay, now come to the next line. Don't throw the books on the shelf. And the poet says, the wind, hey, please don't throw the books which are lying in the shelf, or books which are in arranged form, so don't disturb them. So the poet says to the wind. Okay, there, look what you did. Oh, what happened with you? What did you? You can see here. So you threw them all down, means articles of house and all the things which has been disarranged. Means you have put them all in disorder. All the things you cannot find in order now. So the poet says, wind, please don't blow so forcefully, otherwise all the things and articles will be disarranged, there will be no found in order anything. And now come to the next line. You tore the pages of the books. Tore means the past form of tear. Tear means tear. You can take this one. This is paper. So you can tear. This is tear. Okay. So, and you tore means the past form of tear. Okay. So the poet say that you tore means the poet complains to the wind. You tore the pages of the books. Means books, pages of the books has been torn. So he is complaining to the wind. You tore the pages of the wind, books. Well, next you brought rain again, and after this you brought rain, heavy rain. Okay. So now this is the first stanza of the poem. Now come to the next stanza. Okay. So it cannot be here completely. So I am reading book. Okay. Now come to the next stanza. Next stanza is given here. I am reading here in the book. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Weaklings means so poor people, so weak people you can say, who have no power. Downtrodden peoples you can say in other words. So you are very clever. Means poet is saying to Wind, that is so clever. Clever means who have something wrong in its heart. Something wrong feeling with others. That is called clever. At poking fun at weaklings means sometimes you can say that the wind always try to force and try to disturb all the peoples who are so weak, who have no power, who have no so strength to fight against the wind. So, and next in line, frail crumbling house. Frail crumbling house means so big house you can say that, so less powerful, so less strong house you can say that. And crumbling doors means so big doors. Big means big, that has no strength and power. And crumbling raffles and crumbling wood. Crumbling means जर्जर हालत you can see in other words. Okay, तो लकड़ी जर्जर हालत में शरीर, bodies you can say. So crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts also means so big heart. So you always try means the poet is saying to the wind, you try to disturb and to defeat all kinds of the things which are so no powerful. Okay. So never try. The poet complains that wind that never try to disturb them. Okay. Now come to the next line. The wind winnows and crushes them all. Sometimes the wind comes so fastly and forcefully, and it destroys all the things all around us. Okay. So this is the next stanza. I have explained. I tried my best to explain that thing. Now come to the next stanza. Means that two stanzas are remaining. Third stanza you can understand very easily. How will not do what you tell him. Means it will not do as you like. Means wind will not perform as we like. Okay. So it means what can do to fight against the wind. So the poet say that, so come let's build strong homes. If we want to protect oneself, so we will have to build so powerful houses, powerful shelter, so that the wind cannot disturb us. So the wind cannot disturb and confuse us, or it will not harm us if we have a powerful and strong house and protection you can say. So we will be protected and we will be so safe in our buildings. Means buildings should be so powerful and strong. So build strong homes means we should have, we will have to make the powerful and strong home. And let's join the doors firmly means we should join the doors and they should be so powerful and strong. Well, And practice to form the body. Practice to form the body means we should also adjust our body according to the atmosphere. We will have to change our body and capacity according to the atmosphere and environment, you can see that. So we will have to make ourselves, our body should be also powerful and strong, so that it can face the problems, or you can see that physically problems, you can see that, or climate related the problems of climate, you can say we can face so normally. And make the heart steadfast. So we will have to develop, we will have to make our heart also so powerful and strong, so it can face the problems and challenges which are coming in our life. Okay, now come to the next stanza, means the last and final stanza. Do this and the wind will be friends with us. Do this means poet is saying that do this and the wind will be friends with us. What should be done? Means we should have to make a powerful house. We will have to build a powerful house and a powerful heart also. Winds should be, or we can say that the doors should be also powerful. So we will be protected. We will be so safe in our home. So the poet is saying that we will have to make our house so powerful and strong. Okay, so do this and wind will be friends with us. After this, the wind will be our friend. Okay, and the wind blows out the big fires. You know very well that thing. When you are seeing the lamp, we have light the lamp, and the wind comes suddenly and it blows out it. Why? Because this is the little part of fire, you can see that. When you can see the widely fire, so large fire, you can see that you can. So when wind blows, it begins so spread, you can say. It becomes so higher and powerful fire, you can see that. Okay, इसको हम कहेंगे कि ज़्यादा आग जल रही हो, वहाँ पर हवा चलती है तो वो हवा और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है हवा चलने से. कम हवा चल रही हो, सॉरी हवा ज़्यादा चल रही हो और जो है लाइट छोटी हो, दीपक जल रहा हो, तो वो बुझ जाता है. इसलिए इसका कहने का मतलब ये है, कमज़ोर पर वार करते हैं तो कमज़ोर मर जाता है, कमज़ोर फिर उसका सामना कर नहीं पाता है. तो वही यहाँ पर है. ठीक है ना. Now come to the next line. To make strong fires roar and forest and fire friends is God, and praise him every day. Oh, we always praise the wind every day. That wind is so essential in our life also. Okay, because it plays very important role in climate or in seasons also. Okay, so thank you to watch this video, and I request all the students of 9th class, please try to understand this poem. Whenever you feel any difficulty or any problem, you can pause your video. You can contact me at my WhatsApp number or contact number also. You can contact with me. You can consult me. You can consult with me. You can put your problems before me, because I am here to solve your problems. Okay? So don't worry. If you face any problem or challenges which are coming in your life, you can put your challenges and problems before me. I will try to solve your problem. Okay? So thank you to watch my video. Thank you very much.